What's up, guys? So we're back. Donato here. I'm in the Z, and today we're gonna go buy a new car for me, and I want to see if y'all can guess what it is right now. So drop a comment down below. Most of my Instagram people will probably already figure it out because I already posted it there. But yeah, I want to buy it, and I'm not sure if I want to make it. I said I wanted to resell it, but now I'm thinking like, maybe I want to keep it. Maybe I want to make it a drag build, so I won't have to hurt my baby. But we'll see what happens, and y'all leave a comment down below what I should do with the car, what y'all would like to see with it. All right, guys, I'll see y'all when I probably buy the car. All right, guys, so we just got done picking up the Camaro. Look what I just bought. I think it's got bullet holes or something from a 22. I don't know what that is. Thing sticking out. Junk all in the back. Ugly tail lights. I mean, it's ugly, but it was cheap. I paid $400 for this car. Clean blue title, 185,000 miles to V6. And then my boy paid $500 for the OC10. Nah, I'm playing with y'all. There it is. We're gonna get it home. We're gonna get it home, hopefully, right? Hopefully it runs. How much you put it?
Probably.
193, baby. Oh, yeah. So this is a car. It drives decent. Oh, just broke something else. Just broke this. I mean, but damn, this thing's a mess. And the shocks are terrible. Brakes are barely even there. What else? Look at this. Dusty. I'm gonna leave this hoe with the damn wash. I'm gonna tell her, look, charge me whatever you want, just get this thing clean. But I mean, the car kind of runs decent. Let me see. It does a burnout. I already did a burnout on it, so we at least know that much. And I mean, yeah, it shifts really good. I'm not gonna lie, it shifts better than probably my car. But the thermometer, something's wrong with it. It keeps on going up and down. I don't know if it's bad cooling. Probably she only had water or something. But I'm gonna just put new everything on this car and sell it. And I'll see you later. Full walk around. Adrian, come here. $400 still ain't bad for a running and driving car. But look at this. God. Oh, where's the airplanes flying? Dude, I've seen like 30 airplanes already. You know what I'm gonna do? So yeah, I'm gonna just on my Camaro, I'm gonna switch out these headlights and put those so I can get new ones for mine, and this one could look a little better so it can sell quicker. But damn, I mean, it don't look too bad. I need to run some drives. So shit, at the end of the day, the junkyard would have gave 300 and I gave 4. So I mean, I got to do it. Made it back home. It's sitting pretty. Well, this is real dirty. Really dirty. But I mean, shit, at least it's home. So let me know what y'all like to see, either a drag build or y'all want me to just fix it and flip it. Cause I mean, I'll be down for both, to be honest with you. So y'all leave comments down below what I should do with this car. I'll see y'all later.